Is your Roku TV displaying a no signal message when you're all set to enjoy your favorite shows? Frustrating, isn't it? Don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix your Roku TV when it says no signal, ensuring that you can get back to binge watching in no time. First things first, ensure that all cables are properly connected. Start with the HDMI cable connecting your Roku device to your TV. Check that it's securely plugged into both the Roku and the HDMI port on your TV. If the cable seems loose or damaged, try using a different HDMI cable. Sometimes simply switching to a different HDMI port on your TV can resolve the issue as well. This small step can often save a lot of aggravation. Next, make sure your TV is set to the correct input source. Using your TV remote, cycle through the input options to find the one that corresponds to where your Roku is connected. Most TVs label their HDMI ports, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. So match the port number with the input source. In some cases, renaming the HDMI inputs on your TV settings can help you remember which one is for your Roku. If the connections are fine and the correct input is selected, it's time for a restart. Unplug your Roku device from the power source. Wait about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This power cycle can clear temporary glitches causing the no signal issue. Once it's back on, your Roku should start up normally and display on your screen. Outdated software might also lead to connection problems. Ensure your Roku software is updated to the latest version. To do this, navigate to Settings on your Roku menu, select System, and then System Update. Follow the prompts to check for updates. If any are available, install them and restart your device to see if the issue is resolved. Some TVs have HDMI settings optimized for enhanced viewing or audio output. These settings might affect signal reception. Check your TV's HDMI settings to ensure they're compatible with your Roku device. For example, if your TV has an HDMI enhanced format option, try toggling this setting to improve compatibility. Sometimes other electronic devices can interfere with the HDMI signal. If you suspect this might be the issue, move such devices away from your Roku and TV. Wi-Fi routers, speakers, and other streaming devices could be causing interference. Even a simple maneuver like this can improve your signal. To rule out a potential issue with your TV, try connecting your Roku device to a different TV. If it works fine, problem likely lies with the original TV's port or settings. Conversely, if the no signal issue persists, your Roku device might be faulty and it could be time to contact Roku support for further assistance. There you have it, a detailed approach on how to fix your Roku TV when it says no signal. By following these steps, you can tackle the most common causes of this issue and hopefully resolve it quickly. If all else fails, reaching out to Roku's customer service can provide additional guidance tailored to your specific situation. Remember, a good signal often requires a combination of correct inputs, secure connections, and device compatibility. So get your Roku back up and running and continue enjoying your favorite streaming content without a hitch.